Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best robot vacuum and mop in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Buy-Sell 2254 CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Upright Bagless Vacuum. Automatic cord rewind, swivel steering, powerful pet hair pickup, specialized pet tools, large capacity dirt tank teal. This affordable upright vacuum from Bissell is a fan favorite on Amazon with a 4.6 rating. We haven't tested this exact model, but we've tested many others from Bissell, including older models with the same on-pass technology, and included it in our list of the best vacuums from Bissell thanks to its powerful suction and features that make it great for cleaning hard floors and carpets. While it doesn't have some of the bells and whistles more modern vacuums have, like different suction options or a brush roll that can be turned off, it does have 5 height options ranging from bare floors to high-pile carpets, a 6-foot hose for cleaning stairs and high places, and an easy-to-empty bottom-opening large dust cup. This vacuum does not have a HEPA filter, but has a pre- and post-motor filter that must be replaced every 3 to 6 months. Number 4. Buy-Sell 24613 Pet Hair Eraser Turbo Plus Lightweight Vacuum. Tangle-free brush roll, powerful pet hair pickup, Smart Seal allergen system, specialized pet tools, easy empty. At Bissell, we know pets can make a mess at any moment. That's why we created the Pet Hair Eraser Turbo. It doesn't matter if you vacuum just hours before Fido left behind a trail of fur, you need to be ready for any mess at any moment. The Pet Hair Eraser Turbo comes with powerful pickup packed into a lightweight and agile machine for easy and convenient everyday cleanup. Enjoy the quick-release extension wand, which is always on and always ready to tackle those tricky, hard-to-reach pet messes around the home. Plus, with features like the tangle-free brush roll and the one-touch easy empty dirt tank, you don't have to worry about cleaning your vacuum after you've cleaned your home. You can also breathe easy with the Smart Seal allergen system, with febrile that traps dirt and allergens and eliminates odors so you can enjoy a fresher, cleaner home. Buying this product saves pets. Number 3. Meal Complete C3 Canister Vacuum, Marine Blue. This canister vacuum comes equipped with a parquet floor brush and a brush roll with 5 different settings that cleans everything from hard flooring to plush high-pile carpets. It is one of the most expensive canister vacuums we tested, but is a favorite in our lab, and is the model our cleaning lab executive director uses in her home. Since it was founded in 1899, Miele has followed its brand promise of immer besser, meaning we do everything we can to provide the highest quality products. We want to make daily life easier and more enjoyable for our customers with products that are consistently better. For our customers, this means the peace of mind that they have made a good decision with Miele, probably one for life. Number 2. Irobot Roomba's Mind Plus 9550 Self-Emptying Robot Vacuum. Empties itself for up to 60 days, detects and cleans around objects in your home. Smart mapping, powerful suction, corner and edge cleaning. Groundbreaking technology makes this 9 Plus our most powerful robot vacuum yet. With 40x the suction power, the superior 3-stage cleaning system lifts, loosens, then eliminates debris and pet hair from deep within your carpets for a clean you won't believe. With no effort from you. Automatically increases suction to clean even deeper into carpets with Power Boost technology. Compared to the Roomba 600 series cleaning system, cleans up after itself, emptying its vacuum bin into an enclosed bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, which means 2 whole months of not thinking about vacuuming. This 9 Plus learns the layout of your home and builds personal smart maps, enabling it to expertly clean and navigate in neat, efficient rows. Careful drive mode detects objects in its path and cleans around them without jostling or nudging. Objects taller than 2.5 centimeters. Number 1. Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum and Mop 2500 PA Suction and Sonic Mopping Robotic Vacuum Cleaner with multi-level mapping. Works with Alexa, mop floors and vacuum carpets in one clean, perfect for pet hair. Sonic Mopping Technology. Roborock S7 Robot Vacuum mops with the power of sound, scrubbing up to 3,000 times per minute. Fed by a 300 ml electronic water tank, stains from coffee to mud and more can be cleaned deeply and effectively. Intelligent Mop Lifting. S7's vaporized mop lifts when a carpet is detected, so you can mop hard floors and vacuum carpets in a single clean. It also raises when cleaning is finished to avoid spreading dirt, and when docked so we can say goodbye to ugly plastic mats and dirty streaks. Upgraded brush system. Multi-directional floating brush keeps the brush closer to the ground for deeper cleaning, even on uneven surfaces. Rubberock S7's all-new rubber brush is more durable and resists hair tangling better. It's perfect for homes with pets. Powerful performance.